Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add anchor links on Wix. This is a great way to let visitors jump to specific sections of your page and improve your site's navigation. Let's get started. In your Wix Studio editing dashboard, the first thing we need to do is add an element. Go to the menus and search for the anchor menus. Here, you can select the anchor menu you want to use. For example, let's choose the horizontal anchor menu. Drag it onto your page. Once it's there, just click to add an anchor. As you can see, we can give it a name, for example, Menu 4. After that, we will click Manage Menu, then click Add Item, and Link or Anchor so we can link this anchor to a page. We can link this to a specific page. Let's link this to our home page and select top of the page to link the anchor on this page. Once that's done, we can also link this to another page or a specific section, depending on how we want the anchor to work. Just choose the one that fits your needs. When we're finished, just click Done. For example, select top of the page and then click Done. That's how we add anchor links on Wix. With this simple feature, we can make our website easier to navigate and more user-friendly.